Hi students, welcome to Gauri Smart Channel. I am Gauri Sankar, you are watching Gauri Smart Channel. So today we are going to discuss about pair of linear equations in two variables. This is a very easy chapter and only 3 formulas are there. If you know 3 formulas, you can do very well. In this chapter, at least 2 or 3 models are there. 2 or 3 marks also will be coming in our exam. So let us start our chapter pair of linear equations in two variables concept. So students, my small request is please like my video before I am starting. So now let us start. Linear equation. What is linear equation? Linear equation is nothing but an equation, a polynomial which is having degree 1 is called linear equation. A polynomial which is having degree 1 is called linear equation. In the previous class we have studied, so we learned. So in the polynomial which is having linear equation means a polynomial which is having degree 1 is called linear equation. So we are discussing two variables. So linear equation in two variables we want. So ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. That is called linear equation. Means an equation which is having degree 1, because we are discussing here equation. We are discussing here equation. An equation which is having degree 1 is called linear equation. An equation which is having degree 1 is called linear equation. So now we are see x power 1, y power 1. So degree 1. So this is the equation. This equation and degree 1 is there. So this is a linear equation. So this is the linear equation. Ax plus b is equal to 0. This is also linear equation. So what is the difference between and between means this is the linear equation in one variable and this is a linear equation in two variable. This is the linear equation in one variable and this is the linear equation in two variable. Here condition is a not equal to 0. Then only it is a linear equation in one variable. Here condition is modulus a plus modulus b is not equal to 0. Modulus a plus modulus b is not equal to 0. Otherwise, a square plus b square is not equal to 0. Then only it is a linear equation in two variables. Linear equation in two variables. Now, we are going to discuss about pair of linear equations. Pair of linear equations. So, pair of linear equations means two linear equations which are having in two variables. Two linear equations which are in two variables, those are called pair of linear equations. So if two or more equations you are taking, then it is called system, simultaneous system. That every system will be having solutions and no solutions. So now we have to find the solution. Solution means is nothing but for what values of x and y the equation becomes satisfying. The equation is satisfying. Those are called solutions. For what values of x and y the equation becomes satisfying. The equation is satisfying. That is called solution. For example, here x plus y is equal to 5 I am taking. 1, 4. 1 plus 4 is 5. That is solution. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. That is solution. 0, 5. That is solution. 5, 0. That is solution. 6, minus 1. Solution. So like that, this equation has infinite solution. If you take one equation, definitely it will be infinite solution. Definitely it will have infinite solution. Now, same like that, one more example I will take. X minus y. So x minus y is equal to 1. X minus y equal to 1. This is another solution. This is another linear equation. So it is also having solutions 4 minus 3. So 4 3, 5 4, 2 1, 1 0. Like that it is also having infinite solutions. If I take these two solutions, if I take these two equations, then this is called pair of linear equations. Then it is called pair of linear equations. For solving this equation, there are methods are there. Graphical method, substitution method, eliminating method, cross multiplication method. So in your exam, if they want to ask concept means they will ask like this. So which method is not to solve these equations, they will ask. To solve pair of linear equations. In this for they will escape one option, then you have to choose that one. Now graphical method. How to do graphical method means, see here x-axis and y-axis will be there. Here x-axis and y-axis will be there. In this x-axis and y-axis, see here y is equal to 5 minus x. Y is equal to 5 minus x. So x value 0 means y is equal to 5. X value 1 means y is equal to 4. x value 2 means y is equal to 3, x value 4 means y is equal to 2, x value 5 means y is equal to 0. So this is the one equation. Here y is equal to x minus 1. If x value is 1, y value is 0, x value is 1, then y value is, x value is 1 means y value 0. And x value 0 means y value minus 1. X value 2 means y value 1. So like this. So it is intersecting where? Here. So this is the solution. It is the solution, that is 3, 2. 3, 2 is the solution of this equation. This is called graphical representation of the solution of the two pair of linear equations. Now, substitution method. Second one is substitution method. Substitution method. In this substitution method, so we have taken x plus y is equal to 5 and x minus y is equal to 1. Now, see here x is equal to 1 plus y. X is equal to 1 plus y. Now, substitute this x value in this equation, then you will get the answer. Now, I will substituting here. X means 1 plus y is equal to 5. 2y, this 1 bring to that side means minus 5 minus 1. So, 2y is equal to 4, then y is equal to 2. So, if you substitute y is equal to 2, then x is equal to 1 plus 2, then x is equal to 3. So, I got the answer x comma y is equal to 3 comma 2. So, this is a, so same solution will get, this is called substitution method. So, one more method is there, that is eliminating method, that is eliminating method. Now, I will do eliminating. So, eliminating means you have to eliminate either x or y. So, in this I am giving interaction, let it be 1, let it be 2. For this no problem, because 1 coefficient. So, if you want to eliminate y, then whatever the coefficient is there, that multiply with this one, and whatever the coefficient here y beside, that multiply this one. Then write the new equations, then solve. Here plus y minus y cancel. So, 2x is equal to 6, x is equal to 3. So, if you substitute x is equal to 3, 5 minus 3, y is equal to 2. So, this is called eliminating method. Next, cross multiplication method. Next, cross multiplication method. Now, I am going to give the formula. You have to use the formula. This is the shortcut I will say for you. So, this one also shortcut today, and this one also shortcut. So, how to do so means here. a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Here you write x, y, 1 like this. This is called cross multiplication method. Cross multiplication method. Here x means here is equal to, here also is equal to. X means you have to leave it x. The remaining you have to see. b1 c2 cross multiplication. b1 c2 minus b2 c1. b1 c2 minus b2 c1. Next, y means you have to eliminate y. So, c1 a2 minus c2 a1. c1 a2 minus c2 a1. So, we are eliminating y. Then after that ca. c1 a2 minus c2 a1. Then after that we have to eliminate constant. Then a1 b2 minus a2 b1. a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So, by using this formula, we can find the solution of two pair of linear equations by cross multiplication method. By cross multiplication method. So, now we are going to discuss about three important formulas. These three important formulas you will easily remember by seeing this video, because I am going to explain first, then after that I am going to say shortcut how to remember these three formulas very easily. So, now let us take this one, systems. Only we have two systems. If it is solution, if it has solution, then consistent. If it is not having solution, then inconsistent. So, consistent, again consistent, inconsistent. Only we have two systems, that is consistent and consistent and inconsistent. Now, graphical representation. So, intersecting lines, those are intersecting lines, and dependent line. and also coincidence lines and also parallel lines. So this is the system. Now solution, only one solution, here infinite solution, here no solution, here no solution. Next condition is here a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. Here a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Here a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. So these are the three important formulas, three important diagrams, three important solutions. So if you remember this one, definitely you will get 1 mark from this. This is a dependent system because this line is depending upon this one, this line is depending upon this one. This is also dependent system because this line is depending upon this one, this line is depending upon this one. These two are individual lines, so it is not dependent, it is independent lines. Those are the two independent lines because those are depending upon themselves. So these are the independent lines. Now how to remember this formula? Listen, let us see. So I am taking serial numbers here for your understanding. This is first one, this is second one, this is third one. So this is the first one, this is second one, this is, so this is first one, this is second one, this is third one. For remembering I am saying, for remembering only, this is first, second, third I am saying. Now how to remember this formula? Let us see. So this is a a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, and this is a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. This is L, this is M. This is L and this is M, this is also LM, this is also LMN. Okay, now see. One fine morning, Mahesh Babu and Samantha, one fine morning, Mahesh Babu and Samantha, how to remember I am saying, one fine morning, Mahesh Babu and Samantha are meeting at one park, are meeting at one point, one park, so 1 point, one solution. One fine morning, Mahesh Babu, so this is M line, Mahesh Babu, this is L line, Samantha, so we will take S, no problem. So Mahesh Babu and Samantha, these two are meeting at one point in a park, 1 point. So that situation has been observed by their parents. A1, A2 are the Mahesh Babu parents, B1, B2 are the Samantha parents. Those are not willing, those are not interested, that's why not equal to. Mahesh Babu parents and Samantha parents are not willing, means they are not interested to make the marriage for them. So not equal, they are not interested. One fine morning, Mahesh Babu and Samantha met at one point at one park. They have seen, they liked each other. So, but their parents are not liking each other. Now, so after that what happened means, they argued each other because they love, they fall in love and they argued each other. So means they are separated. Means they are not meeting, means no solution. If they are meeting means solution, if they are not meeting means not solution. So this situation, they are separated, this situation is happy for Mahesh Babu parents and Samantha parents. So that's what equal. Mahesh Babu parents and Samantha parents, that's what it is equal. But that is not interested, that is not liked by Mahesh Babu friend and Samantha friend. Mahesh Babu friend and Samantha friend, that's not equal. After that, after everything is okay, after that, so they married by her parents. So by them parents, their parents. So marry means now they can meet infinite times. How many times they want to meet, that many times they can meet. So everyone is happy, everybody happy. Mahesh Babu parents happy and Samantha parents happy and our friend and his friend also happy. So everyone is happy. So like that, a small story if you remember, then it is very easy. This is the shortcut for you in this lesson. Now x is equal to 0. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. If x is equal to 0 means this term will not be there, then y is equal to minus c by b. Then y is equal to minus b by c by b. Means this is the line which is parallel to x axis. Y is equal to means a line which is parallel to y axis. If x is equal to 0, then the line which is parallel to, if x is equal to 0, then it is parallel to x axis. If x is equal to 0, then it is parallel to x axis. If y is equal to 0, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. If y is equal to 0 means x is equal to minus c by a. So then that is parallel to y axis. If y is equal to 0, then it is parallel to y axis. If x is equal to 0, then it is parallel to x axis. And if you multiply in two equations, if you multiply one equation is, if you multiply one equation by k, then the two lines are coincidence lines. Then the two lines are coincidence lines. These are intersecting lines, these are coincidence lines, these are the parallel lines. So if you multiply one equation by k, then the two equations are coincident to each other. Now, two-digit number will be there. The two-digit number, for example, if I take 36, how can you write means this is 10a plus b means 10 into 3 plus 6. This is a, this is b, 10a plus b. If you reverse it, that 63, so 10 into 6 plus 3. So like this, if you do, you can do easily. And also one more shortcut is there. So two equations, very big numbers they will give you. So then you have to first add, then you will get a small equation. Then after that you have to subtract, again you will get a small equation. So if you solve this any method, then you can find the answer. Now, DTS, DTL, DTS means, so in olden days, movie theaters, DTS sound will be there, DTS sound will be there. So that is the shortcut for you for remembering distance, time, speed, distance, time, speed. So distance is equal to time into speed, and time is equal to distance by speed, and speed is equal to distance by time. And also one more important model also there for us. In a water, so a boat is there, the speed of the boat is x and the speed of the stream is y. If the stream is along with boat, if the stream is along with boat, then the speed of the downstream is x plus y. Then the speed of the downstream is x plus y. If the boat is going upwards, then the speed of the upstream is x minus y. Upstream is x minus y. Now, if I think it is A and if I think it is B, then the speed of the boat is of A plus B and speed of the stream is of A minus B, of A minus B. And also one more important thing is this side I am writing, this side 1 kilometer per hour is equal to 1 kilometer means 1000 by hour means 60 into 60. So 0 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel, and 2 3s are 2 5s are, so 5 by 18 meter per second. 1 kilometer hour can be written as 5 by 18 meter per second. 1 meter per second can be written as this 18 coming this side and 5 is coming this side, 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. So like this we can do any problem in this pair of linear equations in two variables. So this is friend, and tomorrow top 15 models in pair of linear equations in two variables. So tomorrow we'll meet you. So if you like this video, just like it. If you want to share it, you can share it, and if you want to subscribe, you can subscribe, and also make your friends also subscribe. So thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you very much.